I'm using some of this. It's Napoleon brandy, 3 years old. I think it was kind of cheap. It's the kind of stuff you want to use in a pasta sauce, not the expensive stuff, okay? We need 1 cup. What's it smell like? Not too bad. So 1 cup, okay? That's a lot of booze. Might pour it quickly. It won't spill. Shit. Okay. Nobody saw that. That's just you and us, okay? Give it a little top up. Actually, the bottle's nearly finished. I have a little drop myself.
You said you're gonna use only half.
I'm not supposed to do that. Oh, yeah, I might get banned.
You said you're gonna use only half of it.
Half of what?
Half of the prescribed amount. That's
No.
what you said yesterday.
No, it's like, might as well like go all out, like, you know.
I don't mind you drinking from the alcohol.
Don't tell people I'm drinking from the bottle.
They saw you.
They'll think I'm a savage.
They saw you.
All right, so that's your juice. What else do we need? Need a lot of mushrooms. Okay, a lot of mushrooms. Let's get that in place. He's using cremini, but turns out brown button mushrooms are fantastic for this. All right, that's all you need. I think we might need to wash these. Actually, they look kind of dirty to me. Yeah, that needs a wash. Give me a few minutes. I found another one. That's proper manky, like. You do need to wash that. Now, a lot of people say that these things... A lot of people say that you shouldn't get your mushrooms wet. They're 98% water. They couldn't get any wetter if they tried. So I'm just going to dump everything in here and give it a good wash. You need loads of these mushrooms. Like, I think I have about 750 grams. It's quite a lot, actually. Actually, you know, I'm going to wash them in batches. Otherwise, this thing's just going to, like, fill up. Quarter of an inch thick. So, fairly big slices. We leave that alone. So we're kind of looking for that. Boop. Okay, cool. I'll do the rest of them off camera. After you've done a lot of mushrooms, gonna need an onion. Top off, down to the roots, peel off the skin. Try to make it look like I have a cool them down. Fail miserably. There we go. Should sharpen this knife. You can run the knife across it like this as well. If you think it's too thick. And then do that with the second side. I'll do that off camera. Once you have your full size onion chopped, you're gonna need some of this Parmigiano-Reggiano. Gonna need a quarter cup of Italian parsley. Let me see. Let's try and get the leaves. Maybe take out the big stems. While the frying pan is heating for the mushrooms, I've got 20 grams of Atlantic sea salt here. It's full of great nutrition and minerals and stuff like that. And this is big enough for 2 litres of water. I'm going to do about 300 grams of pasta. So I go for 10 grams per litre. The Italians say you should go for like as salty as the sea, but that would be 35 grams of salt per litre, which is, it'd be bitter with salt. Bit of olive oil. Bit of olive oil. Start getting your mushrooms in there. Two to 3 minutes per side, and I'm doing them in batches. I'm not going to do them all in front of you. I'll do them off camera. This is the kind of brown we're looking for. Once they look like that, you can take them off. Put them into a bowl and set them aside, and do the rest. Gotta admit, doing these mushrooms does take a while. Just be patient, be alright. Getting the water out of the mushrooms. This is what takes the time. When it goes quiet, that means the water's gone and they'll start to brown quite quickly. So you can see the steam has almost gone out of the mushrooms now, they're starting to fry. They look good enough. Get the onion in there. It's a bit dry, throw in some olive oil. Put on a bit of salt and pepper. And a few chili flakes. Just a few, not too many. They're browning a little bit too quickly, so let's lower the heat down. Let's get the tomato paste in there. You need to stir frequently. I'm going to put a bit of water in there as well. Now is when we bring the spaghetti to a boil. And I'm putting in about 300 grams of spaghetti. Now we're putting in the brandy in here, okay? And we're going to reduce the volume of this by about half. Let's increase the heat to 5. Now you can see this has started to thicken up a bit. Okay. It's reduced in size by half. Now let's get a cup of pasta water. That pasta water contains a lot of starch. It'll thicken up the sauce nicely. Get our cream in here now. That's 33% fat cream, as recommended by Weight Watchers. Give it a gentle stir. Looks nice, huh? We'll give this a minute to come together, and then we're going to pour the pasta in. You should see what I'm seeing here. It's amazing.
It's really pretty.
It's really pretty. Really pretty. The pasta is done. It's 1 minute away from being done. Really took the colour. There's brandy in this, but it's all been cooked off.
Yeah, I smelled it when I came outside. I'm like, oh, that's very yum.
You like it, yeah? I was kind of thinking you might not like it.
No, that's what I'm saying. The smell of alcohol is very intense. And I'm like, oh, but it's like it's steamed away.
It's all in the air, isn't it?
Yeah. It smells nice now.
Look at that.
Just a piece of something.
That was a fly. Just like what? Someone crash landed in my dinner. Call the lifeguard. So I think, okay, see we got some bubbles on this? That's not the fly that crashed in there, breathing. Let's leave that. Start getting this in here. Actually, let's get this in here. These are the mushrooms. Alright? So it doesn't splash, try to lower in like that. Ooh, my beautiful assistant is now going to give that a little stir. And this is the young lady who made the rocky road. Miss Pot of Plenty.
For a nice movie evening with a friend. Oh, Christ almighty.
Now this, I'm not going to drain it. We're going to get some additional pasta water by putting it in here wet, which is what we want. We're not making mistakes. Lauren, try not to do that.
I will start cursing in Bulgarian, trust.
No, don't. Okay, here
Ending the lifeline.
we go. This actually works kind of well, this tool.
It's almost like this is what it was made for.
Is this what it was made for?
Yeah.
I thought it was a back scratcher. I've been using it as a back scratcher for years.
The
Back scratcher? No, I haven't. That's disgusting.
back scratcher 2000.
Yeah.
This is really dangerous. I really don't want it to overflow.
Ah, no, relax. Be happy. Well, maybe squish it to the side.
Oh, this is heavy.
Jesus. Oh, they're sticking to the heat. Alright, so this is from Sip and Feast. The same guy who did the New York chicken deli sandwich.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
Is that the timer?
Yeah.
This one?
No. If it's annoying, it's that one.
Okay. So this should be delicious. So add the heavy cream, combine and finish, add the brown mushrooms and the nearly cooked pasta. Cook until the pasta is al dente. It is. Then remove the pan from the heat. Stir in the grated cheese and parsley. Okay, slide it over here. So.
Can I sprinkle? Can I sprinkle?
How much is it? How much does it go in? All the cheese, is it? Add the brown. Cook until the pasta is al dente. Stir in the grated cheese and parsley. Yeah, fuck it all in, yeah.
Fuck it or
No,
sprinkle?
record, yeah. Say professional things. They know I'm not a professional.
Combine.
Yeah, flash it in there.
Lash it. I say combine and then
use
you
that fork
say...
to give a little twirl, but don't
you say-
scratch the bottom. You guys actually add a lot of value with the...
Women always add value. I'm sorry, that was uncalled for.
With the talk. The back talk. Not the back talk, but the background talk.
Oh, so look at...
But this is no longer background talk. You guys are now front and centre. now the main attraction, so to speak. It looks nice, eh?
Looks very nice.
Yeah. Am I recording there? That looks good screen, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Cool, thank you.
My temptation to just eat straight out the pan is intoxicating.
Slap it into a bowl, yeah. Well,
May I have some?
Can you
Because
guys-
I cannot wait.
can you guys
Here,
handle the...
in this one, please.
Can you guys handle... That might not be clean. Can you guys handle the oohs and ahs and just eat it in front of the camera? I am absolutely soaked in sweat. Oh, I just want to sit outside for a few minutes.
I've eaten, I think, once today at around 8
Use
o'clock
one
in the
of
morning.
these bowls, like for instance the...
So trust.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, either.
Guys, I have to go outside because I am boiling. Enjoy it, girls.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you,
Much
Dada.
better. Oh, yummy.
No, as I said, I haven't eaten today. Almost
Put
anything.
more salt and pepper in if you like.
So I'll be eating. Thank you. A lot of this. I'm sorry, I'll give it to you in a second. But
You are
Women and
constructing
children
the
first.
perfect.
yeah, women and children first, and I'm both. So
That's so sweet. Women and children first.
Yalla.
Okay, stay away because it's spraying everywhere.
Fork.
Thank you.
This is my portion. Beautiful garnish on top.
Oi,
What the fuck? Why is this asking me for permissions?
oi.
I don't really look. I'm in this
Dada,
product
don't
meeting.
ruin our oohs and ahs.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Mm.
Oh my goodness. Dada, this is really good.
Look good, yeah?
Mm-hmm. Awesome.
Oh, no, I'm okay. Later on. I just want to go outside. New video coming soon.
Absolutely delicious.
I love that.
You're making this again, I hope you know that.
Of course, yeah.
Got salt and pepper. Where's the salt and pepper?
On the right hand side.
Uh-huh. I love it, kiddo.
Taking more sauce. I'm gonna stop the recording now, okay?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how to. I'm gonna press this button.